I have 6 genius candle hacks for you here today. Let's see if you know all 6. And this is Dollar Tree and Amazon inspired. It's like the Dollar Tree and Amazon got together and had a beautiful love child. By the way, I burn a candle every single day, all day long. Thumbs up if you can relate to that one. And because of that, I go through a lot of candles and have quite the collection of candles. Have you ever thought of freezing your candles? Yes, these are from the Dollar Tree. You can buy them in all different colors. My favorite are the white. Freezing them helps them to burn slower. I also get all my lighters at the Dollar Tree. This is one of my favorite tricks in the book when it comes to candles. Make sure that you trim your wicks too. Now there can be some risk with these types of candles. They're taller, they may tip over easier, especially if you have pets or children running around. And these ones from the Dollar Tree, if you want to put them in the candlesticks, here's a little trick. Get yourself some museum wax. This is amazing. Not only for your candles, but any sort of breakable that you want planted where it needs to be planted. Lamps, breakables, scrape a little off, put it in the bottom of your candle, and let's just pretend this is the candlestick. You're gonna stick it on in there. Remarkable. Number 1 bestseller, and I'm just looking on Amazon now. It is 13% off currently, so make sure you grab some. Non-acidic and non-toxic. Anything I talk about will be linked in the description box below. Sprinkle a little table salt in your candle. This will help slow the rate at which the wax melts. Want a smoke-free way to put out your candles? Grab some Dollar Tree bamboo skewers and then just dip it in the wax. Look at that. Or you could grab one of these Amazon wick dippers, which is pretty cool too. It's got a little hook on it to put your candle out. Oop, there we go. Perfect. This is also a really cute gift idea. It comes with a snuffer and a wick trimmer. This is a bonus tip, but have a frayed shoelace. Dip it in some candle wax, as you can see right here. Let it cool just a little bit before you touch it. Let it completely dry. Now I should have used a white candle, but this works. This will help keep your laces running longer and stronger. These candles are beautiful. However, they come with a really gaudy sticker on the back. The best way to remove those stickers, get yourself some Goo Gone. You can also get one this size. I do recommend, and they sell these at the Dollar Tree, getting a larger size. You can see that I've used a lot of this because it works so well. Spray that on your sticker. This requires the least amount of elbow grease and actually works the best. Now, grab your peeler that came with this, got this on Amazon, and you're just gonna work it underneath the sticker and it will slide right off. And this is a really sticky one. Holy buckets. And this sticker is massive. Why do we need to have that big of a sticker on here? Oofta. That took me way longer than it needed to. If I did not have these 2 things, I would have been here all day. I would have grown another gray hair. Now I just have 2 more to do. These are my favorite candles, hands down by far. The Paris and the Volcano smells delicious. And then look at these beautiful jars. This is all done, but I want to reuse this jar for hair accessories, but we got to get that wax out. I'm just going to heat up some water. By the way, doesn't that look so nice and organized? I just did a kitchen Amazon organizational video. I have a link in the description box below along with everything else that I have talked about. I'm doing a giveaway in that video if you're interested. There's something very fun to be won in that video. This is just a little sneak peek, yes. We are going to heat up this water, make it nice and bubbly. I did about 1:20 in my microwave. So you're gonna pour your hot water in there and you want the wax to melt and harden just a little bit so that you can pull it from the sides. Now I'm just taking a spoon and loosening it around the sides. And what will happen is you'll be able to see that entire piece. I'm gonna pull out here. Look at that. Now you could reuse this wax for another project if you wanted. Looking good. Now I'm just gonna clean this off, take the sticker off the top with the Goo Gone I showed you. And what am I gonna be cleaning it out with? This stuff. This is amazing. I did an entire video on it, link below. Now these stickers were way easier to get up compared to those Dollar Tree ones. And this definitely helped get the last remaining bits of wax up. This candle has basically paid for itself because now I get to use it for something really cool. And you can just display this very beautifully and use that museum wax. I'm actually gonna use it to put these things in here in my bathroom. I love that. If you're interested in entering that Amazon giveaway, click the video on screen now. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.